This week, back to the track, the Gatorback. It's not the Mindios, but the Winter Am. So not quite as big as race, but still pretty big, awesome race. And the sun is just blinding me right now. So check this out. Here we are once again, famous Gatorback Cycle Park. Today we're going to be racing on Dimondback. That's going to be the objective today. Last time at Dimondback we raced Supercross and Motocross. Today we get this big giant monster motocross track right here behind me. So stick around for a lot of fun and a good time. So get ready. This is the pandemonium, the chaos that you got here in the station area at Gatorback. This is the craziness you got to deal with all these 85s. Try to let them out the practice and they just keep jamming up here in the corner. Talk about ready to go racing, that's what these kids are. It is race day. Here it is, race day at the infamous Gatorback Cycle Park. We're racing Dimondback today. There it is back there. I got to get the starting gates working, make sure I'm going to be, I don't know, loading them and dropping them. I don't know, we'll see. But anyhow, pretty cool stuff. You got a little button there. Push raise. They all raised up like that. Thumbs are all good. And then we hit drop. They all drop. All right, we're good to go. It's gonna be a little tough to pump out this video today because we have 66 races, but got a few minutes here, so I want to say thanks everybody for hanging out, subscribing, liking, all that stuff, and yep. Come on guys, you guys are already up there. And all that good stuff. So yeah, stick around. I got some more exciting stuff coming up. Yeah, just stay tuned. This is the pro class about to get underway. These guys are really fast. So another crazy cool thing is these new mini e-bikes. So right now, you're about to see these guys rip by and you're not gonna hear nothing. You're not gonna hear anything. So check this out, watch what happens. Now, can you believe that? You can't even hear those guys. You can't even hear them. And once again, I do apologize to everybody for slacking on the videos. It's just been a little wild, crazy ride, as my life always is. Anyhow, we're about to start the pro class. These guys are gonna be ripping right around this corner here in just a second. So don't forget to click like, subscribe, and make a comment. Let me know what's going on. All right, this is the last class of the day, guys, right here at Ultimate Gatorback Cycle Park. This is the Super Minis. These are the fast guys. These guys are gonna rip it, so you better watch out. I'm gonna film their start, and we're gonna check them out on the other side. There's a couple more right over here. Last ones of the day. It's going to be good times. It's been a great day, been a lot of fun. A lot of good racing. Let's watch this one.